Hey, I'm Stan Starsky from Peace, Love, and Snacks, author of the Healthy Snacks Cookbook, Peace, Love, and Snacks. Today what we're going to do is make an easy, fun snack recipe for children. And you're going to love this, your kids are going to love this. So let's say you're a mom or a dad, or maybe you know some kids that you want to impress. I'm going to show you how to make this quick, fun recipe. So what you're going to do is strawberries. I've got some strawberries, some apple, some pecans, and an orange right here. So this is going to be absolutely delicious. It's really easy to do. Now, if you don't have a food processor, don't worry about it because you could just chop this stuff up. But if you do have a food processor, I say why not use the food processor? And what you're going to do is take about a cup and a half of strawberries. So that's actually about a cup and a half of strawberries. I got a few left over there. And then one apple, dump that in there too. And then I like to make it a little crunchy, but you don't have to. But pecans are kind of a subtle nut. They're not as hard as almonds. So maybe about a handful of almonds, and I found to be about a handful is about 1/8 of a cup. And then one orange, and this makes it a little bit more juicy. So you can just put the orange in, and there are a lot of different ways to peel an orange. This is the one that I kind of use, just because I don't know any better. And I'm going to kind of dump this in here. Let the juice get in there too. Oh, I got a little peel. So, and this is something you could multitask. Let's say if you've got a bunch of kids over, maybe one kid is peeling the orange, somebody else is taking the nuts. You can work as a whole team. So I'm just going to dump this in like this. Now I'm going to kind of cheat a little bit and sort of dig it in, put it down on the side there so it gets chopped up. Okay, so this even smells delicious already. You're using all natural ingredients. There's no processed sugar. This is gluten-free. This has got all those different benefits. Okay, then we're just going to blend this. I like to pulse it. Okay, just pulse it a little bit, and then what you want to do is just sort of take a look down in there and say, okay, that's definitely not done. So I'm going to turn it on. Okay, sometimes if you leave it on a little too long, don't worry about it. It's just, so it makes an applesauce, really a super applesauce. You can call this a super fun applesauce. This is what I'm going to call this now. This is a fun, super delicious, healthy, easy to make, fun sauce, and everybody's going to love it. I've got some bigger chunks of strawberry in there, but that's okay. I think that's good because it's fruit. It's kind of a little surprise for some of the kids, like the bottom of a Cracker Jack thing. And you can serve this up in little plates. So let's dump a little bit there. And what I've got there is just like a really delicious, nice combination, super easy, fun to make snack for kids. And as I mentioned, there's no processed sugar or anything. And people are going to love it. Actually, I think you could even serve this for dessert, really. It's that good. Once again, I'm Stan Starsky from Peace, Love, and Snacks. And I hope you enjoy these delicious snacks.